So can I start?
Yes.
So good morning all. Good morning, sir. Can anyone guess my topic on
Related to
PPT?
AI.
Technology,
AI,
artificial
Technology,
intelligence.
robotics.
Yes. Yes, it's true. I'm going to give a presentation on this AI. So coming to this, I'm feeling little nervous. So please cooperate with me. So before going to this AI, everything, I'm going to introduce you in introduction, and I will give the applications and advantages and disadvantages and my opinion, and I'm going to end up with my conclusion on this AI. So coming to this introduction, AI is nothing but it's a field of computer science technology that focus on the creating a machines capable of performing a task that typically requires a human intelligence. So means in any computer or any machine is going to perform some task, right? So that there itself, in earlier days we have to human intelligence are required more, but with this AI, it required only less intelligence is required from this human. Okay. So the task, what is a human task? Some tasks the AI can do, it can be learning languages, problem solving, and quick decision makings, and recognizing all the patterns we are going to give, and understanding all the languages, and it give the accurate and efficient kind of a results and information it can be provide us with this AI. So coming to this AI applications in our daily life, like a smartphones in here itself, it can be gives the facial recognition, it can be gives the voice assistant like a Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, like that. It will give the some advices. At that time it will shows the any your liked most preferred look music and movies, and any shopping. It just recommend you to this is a good, this can be, you can like it like this, it will suggest you. Next, coming to the security and services, suppose if you are going with this CC cameras and everything, right? So there itself AI will be controlled, that it just observe each and everything what is going to happen here, and everything is be recorded, and if anything is suspicious something, it will get to know, it will inform you to just like it will give updates day to day and real, like at what time the person is entering, just please check that person. It will gives the information about up to date. Social media platform, there itself, in a YouTube or in a YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everything will use it, right? So here itself, how the AI algorithm, how it's designed, it just which areas you're liking most, it will gives you the feed in what are the news we are getting. That's if you're interested in comic something, if you liked that video or reel, then next time that it will shows you that most of the things will comes, the reels will be the comic something. And next, otherwise, if you are searching something, if you want to buy any dress or any product, then it will suggest you, instead of you giving something also, it just recognize your interest, and with that only it will gives you the what are the reels and related reels and everything, like that. And navigation, in the sense, if you are going and outside in a route locations and everything, that will be it will give the accurate and the real time, and what is the traffic updates, and in which location if you go, then you can reach the destination easily. That kind of an information, everything will be gives efficiently by this AI. And now the self-driving cars are available, right? So there itself, it will give the fundamentals for like the way to go, how to start this one, and every situation, how to handle the situation, everything will be operated by this AI. And next, e-commerce means, just now I told you, right? On which product it will be the good in which platform. Like we have so many, right? Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, something like that, everything, right? So in which platform we have a good less cost and good quality products is available. It will optimize the cost and everything. it will shows the result. Then we can saving the time, and we are getting a if productive. The product is very quality wise, and everything will be good, right? So with the use of this AI, we can get it this one. And coming to this banking like if any fraud, it can be detect the fraud easily with that whatever bank transactions is happening earlier. It will calculate everything. It will make an eye on it. It will constantly checking the transaction, everything. It just giving an idea of that if you go with this, it will be good profile to go. Otherwise, if any doubtful transactions is there, it will identify and it shows you that. And for a normal people also, you can't get some fraud links or something, right? Sometimes it will be uh, like a stop you to get that kind of a links and everything. And automobiles here itself, the materials, whatever they're using and design, everything, whatever quality improve that, whatever the automobiles. So they improve that. It will give you the like on which way each in which area you have to focus. And before these days, they use this one, so they got this drawback something. It was analyze that and the material used and maintenance, everything, maintenance cost and everything. And based on that, it will gives the nice good procedure to get more efficiency in the production, everything. It will help you to that. And the last is, I think, smart homes. Smart homes. See in our homes, like we are now nowadays, everyone is implementing like a switch on the lights and that kind of a devices we are using, right? That can be IA can be enabled to these devices like a increase lighting and it increase the temperature, reduce the temperature based on your interest, and as well as the weather conditions also. With that, it will controlling the earth that, and it mainly uh, and in the security wise also, it just monitor your house and everything. That's really good thing for smart house and smart home. And next, in a healthcare itself, how means for a suppose if one per patient is went to the hospital means, they'll take a X-rays and MRIs, right? So based on that, they're going to diagnose the diseases exactly at what part she got a disease something. And after that, some of the recommendations which AI can suggest you to do the scheduling and planning when to take the medication. Everything will be controlled here. Some of the areas, the AA only recommend you to do this one. And for this hospital wise, they'll each and every candidate details and everything will be handled very well, because of it just time saving thing and efficiency. Like most of the cases, like if information is missing or something, human errors can be detected from this AI here in healthcare. So automobiles, just now I told you, right? In the finance also I told. Entertainment here is based on your preferences and your interest, and that it can be recommend this entertainment. And nowadays we can see this, like if you wanted to create any story, any wallpaper, something, a reel, something like if you give something like for example, I wanted to create one cartoon, so which with the name of one person, and I saw this app actually. So there itself you can give the whatever the attributes, like the small boy, if you want to create a one small cartoon on boy. So you can give the preferences, like which color dress he wanted to wear, how the hairstyle and everything, how you can write a little note like this: the boy should walk on the roads. That's a you are giving one point to them, and you are fixing with some of the attributes how you wanted to, like a boy at looking wise, how you wanted to. If you give that one, the AI is generating itself like the boy is walking on the road. If you want to change the color, everything, it is really making so much good for time saving and everything. And coming to this, I can't say this. Education wise also, see, in previous days, if sir will ask you to write any essays or something, any letter, something, so we used to write that, right? But nowadays, we with this AI, if you give the subject line, like I wanted to write this lesson, if you give that small brief one sentence to that, it will generating the complete letter, and what do they say, and like that, everything is giving. And with that, the education wise, it will be good, and the water calculation, everything, it is very good. And spare exploration also, like that also, we can know the information about the space, what is happening there, is any satellite is doing something wrong, if it is miscalculation, something, anything is happening, everything will be get calculated. It will gives the feedback to that space people who are working for this space. And gaming also, it will recommend everything, and different kind of gaming technologies and gaming programs are creating with this AI. It's like act like a woman being, like the game is like acting in that game, uh, human, how it is reacting and everything in the gaming nowadays, PUBG or something like this, everything is using this AI only. Robotics, like if it is any complex task, observing the all the issues, see that if any company, what is going to happen, every time the human is not available to observe the things, right? So here the help of this AI, then that things can be done easily. And agriculture is, so see, for this issue also, it just gives advices of how to do, and how to minimize the work, how to increase the efficiency and productivity, that we can take a help of this AI. Yeah, e-commerce, I told you before that, right? To have to optimistic price, get good products, it just recommend you. Advantages, coming to this advantages, see, if you are going with a human, some most of the cases will get errors, most of the errors will get it, but AI can reduce the errors. And it can be explored the so many areas, which not nowadays, it is exploring each and every activity, and whatever we are doing, all the apps and everything, mostly we are depending on that. Daily applications, I told you right just now, and daily we are very much depend on the AI right now. I don't know, without AI, we can't imagine also right now. So digital assistants means I giving the most of the advices, like I told you, right? Siri and Alexa and everything. It giving more suggestions and everything. Continuity of work. So it's not taking any break or anything. Without interval, it is working continuously, and the whatever the efficiency of work has improved a lot and a lot. And for this, cost of training and operation is less compared to the others. And for this, we have a bad things or disadvantages also. Like this production, whenever you're implementing this AI into the so and so client, so and so any project, that is, the cost is very high. uh, Based on this AI, we are making people who are depending on that, they are becoming lazy. Why? Because as just now I told you, right? We are becoming a lazy. Why means we are not thinking our own self. We are just if you get any problem or any critical situation or any handling anything, we are just typing there. We are getting from that easily. We are getting, right. That's the reason we are losing our patience, and analyzing the things and everything is, we are that is decreasing ourselves. And one more thing is unemployment. Unemployment means, see, nowadays we can see this, all the software companies are laying off so many people who are all working there. So like see, more than 2 to 300 people, how much they are working, that can be done easily by this AI within a less time. So obviously, people, how we'll think, for a less time, high productivity, right? Here also the same thing. I'm paying that is 300 people, that we can make it with the AI, right? So companies are preferring this AI. lacking of skills. We are also innovations and nothing. We are just depending on that. Previous days we used to search like a where is good, where is bad, like that. But now we are completely depending that AI. My opinion of AI is it's in some cases it is good, some other case it has a drawbacks also. Like means, see, if it is medicine is good for your health, then after some days, if it is you thought like medicine is good, but if suffering was something, then medicine is good. But after suffering also, if you are taking means it's a bad thing only, right? So how that affects you? So you have to, if it is how much good also, you have to know the limitations. Without limitations, if you going with that more means, if it definitely affects on you, so you have to careful about that. How it's good means, yeah, you have to think the other side also. It's some kind of a bad also there itself. And coming to this um, conclusion here, we already seen that, right? So AI is going to give very productive and very efficiency kind of a thing, problem solving, in a decision making. If you get any problem, just enter there, you will get the quick resolutions and solutions for everything. But I got a one point the middle of this. So job loss means, see, if before these days, coming to I'll explain one situation like in a farming or agriculture. There it's well earlier days we'll use so many people to, that's oil preparation, soil preparation, irrigation, harvesting, for everything we'll use so many people, right? But nowadays we are using the, but what are the machineries or vehicles? They're just coming and cutting and doing and everything in a fraction of minutes. They'll within a 1 or 2 hours time. Within that time, they're cleaning. Cleaning. Sorry, they're doing the every work in a less time. With that, employment really, so many people are not getting the work with this machinery. Right. So like that only, this is also one invention. With that, definitely people will affect on this. So this we have to feel happy with the innovation, but with that directly we are losing that jobs and everything, right? So directly it will going to be help, not help in the enough for an easy thing, because of, see, somebody's we are not agriculture. If we are not in agriculture, we feels like it's good. It's helping me, it's good. But who are the agriculture people? They know the pain, how they are suffering with these machines or anything, right? Like that. Here also, we have a drawbacks, and at the same time, we are advantages. So, and don't addict for this AI. Just because of it listening our words and our thinking, everything. So if you are talking with your friend, if you are saying something to them, if you open any social media or anything, you are getting a recommendation to, suppose I wanted to buy some any car, any bike or something, or any TV something. Instead of searching that any social media, we are getting a recommendation like some car advertisement. So that kind of an advertisements we are getting. So AI is that much bad. Means it just privacy wise, it's not at all good. So we have to care about that. You can utilize the AI, but in a privacy and ethical concern, you have to control that. Otherwise, it will how much is good, making you good, giving you good, that much he can that can be make you bad also. So this is my PPT. I hope you like it, and thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. If I said any wrong, just let me know. Okay, thank you.